Have you ever craved a chocolate muffin, but didn't want the sugar crash afterward? What if I told you that you can enjoy rich chocolate brownie muffins that are high in protein, low in sugar, and made with simple, clean ingredients? Today, I'm making my high-protein cottage cheese brownie muffins, naturally sweetened with monk fruit, boosted with egg whites, and baked to soft, fudgy perfection. And trust me, these are tasty and healthy. Let's make them together. Welcome back to Eat Clean Daily, where we make simple, realistic, healthy recipes that actually taste good. I created this recipe because I love chocolate, but I also care about keeping blood sugar stable and fueling body with protein. Traditional muffins are loaded with refined sugar, white flour, empty calories. But this version, high protein, gluten-free. No refined sugar, simple ingredients. And the secret ingredient, cottage cheese. If you've never baked with cottage cheese before, you're about to be surprised. Let me show you what we're using. 1 cup cottage cheese. This gives moisture and protein. Once blended, you won't even taste it. 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, deep chocolate flavor without added sugar. 1 cup almond flour. 1/4 cup monk fruit sweetener, no sugar spike. Adjust to your taste. 1 cup egg whites. This boosts protein and gives structure. About 1 whole egg adds richness and softness. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder for lift. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract enhances the chocolate flavor. And today I'm doing something extra. I'm sprinkling sesame seeds on the tray and lightly on top for texture and a subtle nutty flavor. Simple, clean, powerful ingredients. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease your muffin tray. Now sprinkle a small amount of sesame seeds into each cavity. This creates a slightly crisp bottom and adds a beautiful bakery-style finish. Into the blender goes cottage cheese, egg whites, whole egg, monk fruit sweetener, vanilla extract. Blend until completely smooth. You want 0 lumps. This is what gives that brownie texture instead of a scrambled egg texture. Now add cocoa powder, almond flour baking powder. Blend again just until combined. The batter should be smooth, thick, and glossy. If it looks too thick, you can add a tablespoon of almond milk, but usually it's perfect as is. Pour the batter into your muffin tray. Fill each cavity about 3/4 full. Now lightly sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Bake for 22 to 28 minutes. Ovens vary, so check around the 22-minute mark. The top should look set and slightly firm. Insert a toothpick. It should come out mostly clean with a few moist crumbs. Do not overbake. They will continue to set as they cool. Now let's talk about why these are better than traditional muffins. Each muffin has roughly 8 to 10 grams of protein. That means better blood sugar stability, less cravings later, more satiety, better muscle support. Because we used monk fruit instead of sugar, you avoid the glucose spike and crash. And because there's no flour, these are naturally gluten-free. This is the kind of dessert that fuels your body instead of working against it. Let's break one open. You'll see it's moist inside, slightly fluffy from the egg whites, but still rich like a brownie. They taste even better after cooling completely, almost fudgier. You can store them in the fridge for up to 5 days. Honestly, they taste amazing chilled. If you love healthy chocolate recipes, comment chocolate below and tell me, would you add chocolate chips or keep it simple? If you try this recipe, tag me. I love seeing your creations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more clean, high-protein recipes every week. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. See you in the next video.